Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make an origami coronavirus vaccine. So I'm just encouraging all you guys to get the vaccine when it's available. So this model works, but it doesn't cure the coronavirus. So now this requires 2 sheets of paper and a pair of scissors. So step 1 is to make the vial and the needle. So to do that, you are gonna fold down how long you want the needle and a little longer. And now you're gonna fold this up here. Alright, so now you're gonna cut it and measure how long or how wide you want the vial to be. So mine is gonna be like this. And then to make the needle, you're gonna turn it around and fold this edge down, and this part should come out like that. And same thing with this one. So now when you turn it over, it should look like that. And then you can pinch it like this. Alright, so now you have pretty much your tube done, but before you make the piston, you are gonna take this here and fold this edge down and then fold it to this side. And now you're gonna turn it over and fold this up, because this is going to be what's holding the piston when you push it down. Alright, so now you're going to do this on the other side too. Alright, so now you can adjust it because mine isn't good, perfect. So that's going to be my vial. And then you can fold this out and then fold this here. And then fold this here. And then you're going to turn it around again. And right here, you're going to fold that up and then fold this up. Okay, so now your tube is finished. Now time to work on the piston here. So begin with your other piece of paper and do what we did on the other side, but make it a bit longer. Okay, now we are going to cut that off, and then we're going to fold down to make the part where you push it down like now we are going to fold it down, and when we fold this down, we kind of want it to be a bit longer than the syringe. So that is perfect. Alright, so now you're going to fold this up here and do the same here. And now measure, and it should be a bit thinner than the vial. And now what you're going to do is take this here and fold it to the middle. Okay? And now if you want yours to have a thing on the top, what you're gonna do is take this here and then fold that like that. And then you can curve the edges. And now you should be able to fit it in. If it's not big enough, if it's too big, you can always adjust it by doing this. Just taking this edge and folding it down. Then you can now try it again. You can open these up here. And now you're going to fit it in the tube. So it should look something like this when you have it. And now if you think this is too big, what you can do is you can fold this down here, and then you can open it up and then fold these inside. So now this is your coronavirus vaccine. You can push it down and you can inject the vaccine. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.